Welcome to a journey inside MODICIA OS, the Linux distribution that doesn't just stop at being an operating system. It becomes the beating heart of your creativity. Since 1998, designed for those who produce music, video, graphics, and professional content, today it's ready to amaze you too. Imagine a computer that responds to your touch with lightning speed, real-time kernel, compressed RAM, Turbo Boost enabled. Every detail is optimized to deliver the maximum. 4K video editing, low latency audio. MODICIA OS is already prepared with no complicated configurations. Not just power, but elegance too. With maCinnamon, the redesigned interface, working becomes natural and intuitive. Inspired by the simplicity of macOS, but with the freedom and strength of Linux. An environment that reduces cognitive load and boosts productivity. GIMP, Kdenlive, Audacity, LibreOffice with over 2,500 fonts, all pre-installed and optimized. You won't waste time searching or configuring. MODICIA OS immediately puts you in the position to create, produce, and share. MODICIA OS is open source with no ads, no tracking, no compromises on privacy. Behind it stands an active community and a registered company structure, ensuring stability and a future. It's already adopted in schools, artistic institutes, and professional studios. Over 1,000 applications in DEB format and more than 2,300 app images with unlimited cloud synchronization. No space limits, no bandwidth limits. Total freedom always. MODICIA OS is not just any distro. It's a complete production platform, placing creativity at the center and proving how power, elegance, and freedom can coexist. Discover more at modiciaos.cloud and take your creativity to the next level.